Hello everyone! My name is Ernie and my partner is Sophia. And today we'll be your instructors. As you guys know, this is an e-learning project on how to understand color theory. And today we'll be learning about how color theory works.
By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to understand the importance of color theory, identify their skin undertones, and find suitable fashion based on the skin undertones. You'll be a pro before you know it.
For today's lesson, we'll be learning about the definition of color theory, the definition of hue, shade, and tint, the color wheel, the types of hues in the color wheel, warm and cool hues, example, and how does this work? Exciting, isn't it? What is color theory? Basically, color theory is a guide that helps us to understand how color works and how they relate to each other. It also explains how different colors can affect our mood, how we perceive things, and even how something looks overall. When we use color theory, especially the color wheel, it becomes much easier to choose colors that match well or give a certain feeling in our designs. For example, the wheel shows primary colors like red, blue, and yellow. Then secondary and tertiary colors that are made by mixing them. Well, in simple terms, color theory helps us to pick colors wisely, so our artwork or designs can send the right message or emotion. Then, color theory consists of hue, shade, and tint. Firstly, hue. You must wonder, what does hue even mean? Hue is another word for colors like red, blue, yellow, and so on. It's the base color before any changes are made to it. The second one is shade. Shade is what you get when you add black to a hue. This makes the color look darker and deeper. For example, adding black to a red gives you burgundy. However, a tint is created by adding white to a hue. This makes the color lighter and softer. So, if you add white to red, you'll get a pinkish tone. Basically, hue is the original color, shade is a darker version, and tint is the lighter version. This helps designers adjust colors to match the mood or style they want. Let's move on the color wheel. The color wheel shows the connection between colors and how to organize these colors into groups. Simplifying the color wheel helps us to see how each color relates to others. Colors that sit next to each other are similar, while colors that are opposite create contrast. By grouping different categories of colors like warm colors, cool colors, complementary colors, and so on, it becomes easier to understand which colors match, which stand out, and how they can be used together in design or artwork, and of course, in fashion. These are types of hues in the color wheel, which is primary, secondary, and tertiary. For primary hues, there are colors that can't be created by mixing other colors, such as, you guessed it, it's a red, blue, and yellow. Yes, there's only 3 colors in the primary hue. For secondary hue, it is created by mixing 2 primary hues together like blue plus yellow. Then you will get a beautiful green. Tertiary hue is my favorite. Why? Because it can create it by mixing a primary hue with some of secondary hue like red, plus orange or yellow plus green. These hues give more variety and richness to the color wheel. This is where we get various more beautiful colors. This is where things get interesting. What you are looking at here is warm and cool hues. Both hues are grouped based on the feeling they give. For example, colors in warm hues consist of red, yellow, and orange, which give off energetic vibe, while cool hues that consist of colors like blue, green, and purple give off a soft vibe to it. Now, be prepared as I'm going to show you pictures of how people look like when they wear colors that doesn't suit their skin tone. Oh goodness! The shawl hijab here are too pastel, too dusty, or even too cool for the skin tone. Instead of brightening the face, these colors make the complexion look dull or tired. For instance, light pinks and beige, they are too soft that can make the face look washed out. And colors like purple, if they're too cool, it can create shadows and make the skin look darker. What I'm implying is, the colors should be wearing us, not the other way around. This is why choosing the right color is important. It is because the wrong color can take away your natural glow, but the right one can instantly make you look fresh and vibrant.
Ta-da! Now, this is what we aim to be. This is what happens when you choose the right colors. For example, on the right picture, the plum or mauve hijab instantly brightened her face. Her features stand out more, her skin tone looks more balanced, and the whole look appears more polished and livelier. The trick is simple. Choose colors that creates a healthy contrast with your skin tone. Not too close that your face disappears, but not too overpowering that the color steals all the attention.
So, you might be wondering, how does this work? How does a bad color could affect to making our skin look so dull? So, let me show you.
As you can see, the person in the first picture has a warm tone while the second picture has a cool tone. But both pictures have very poor light reflection. This is because every fabric colors bounce a certain kind of light onto your skin. The warm color supposedly will cast a cozy warmth and make skin turns to more golden, and the cool colors supposed to throw a cooler light which it can make skins brighter. Another reason is it is also due to undertone harmony, which decides whether a color plays nicely with your skin. From these pictures, you can see that the colors and the skin undertones are clashing, which is why their skin appeared grayish and swallow. If they use colors that match their undertones, their face will look more awake even while not using any makeup. Saturation plays a big part in this too, where it contains soft and bold energy. Based on these two pictures, highly saturated colors can overpower softer skin, and muted color can flatter fair skin, just like these two pictures.
However, this problem is also due to the temperature of colors, where warm tones of cloth could look flushed or uneven on a cool skin undertone, while cooler tones of cloth could make warm skin undertone look dull or dusty, and we surely don't want any of that.
To conclude, everything from what we have learned, color theory has three benefits. It helps us to choose the right colors, help learners to use the color wheel the right way, and it also shows how to match colors that work well together.
Also, before I forget, we provide quizzes in QR code for you guys to answer. Please scan the QR code to answer our quiz. Don't forget to put your name so that we can easily identify it. Don't be late, guys. The deadline for this quiz is on 12 January 2026.
As for our next video, we'll be learning on how to identify your skin undertones. Stay tuned!